वाओ। तो वाओ। तो वाओ। तो कितना मजा आ रहा है?
बहुत
बहुत। कितना मजा आया? वाओ। तो तो ये तो मस्ती की पाठशाला थोड़ी सी अलग होगी, क्योंकि फ़ोन से डेलीगेशन आए हैं और क्यूट क्यूट से बच्चे बैठे हैं भाई। हमारे टाइम में तो मैडम डंडा लेके पाया करती। तो मिल लेते हैं हम पहले फ़ोन से। मेरी तो वही अंग्रेजी है भाई, ज़्यादा तो है नहीं। हेलो मैम।
Hello.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm good.
I'm good.
वेयर फ्रॉम?
I'm from Tunisia, North Africa.
ओके।
Yeah.
I am from Egypt, North Africa also.
ओके।
You
तो
can say we are neighbors.
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 ओके
Both Arabic countries.
ओके।
Okay.
तो इतनी अंग्रेजी तो भाई समझ में आ गई। इसका फालतू तो ये बालक तो बेच सकता, बता दियो मैंने। तो बड़ा एंजॉइंग क्लास रहेगी, मस्ती की पाठशाला, एंजॉयमेंट क्लास। रेडी फॉर एंजॉयमेंट क्लास? अरे मेरी तो जी भी बांगी होगी यार। हाँ जी, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। क्योंकि प्रिंसिपल सर को काम था, अर्जेंट था, तो वहाँ जाना था। और अभी मैम से मिलेंगे और बच्चों से मिलेंगे। तो प्लीज़ स्टार्ट सर, प्लीज़ स्टार्ट। अभी देखेंगे यहाँ पर क्या कुछ स्टार्ट होगा, क्या कुछ नहीं। वीडियो को पोस्ट कर ले भाई एक बारी।
These, as I was telling you, these children are very excited to meet you, and now they'll be asking some questions which they have in their mind since we told that you guys will be coming. So for an introduction, I would like to tell you this is Mrs. Suhail and Mrs. Nada. Yeah. So everyone clap for them once again.
वाह।
Whatever questions you have about the culture, the food, or whatever you were telling and excited about, you can tell about all that. Yeah.
अब होगा क्या यहाँ पर, एक एक बच्चे यहाँ पर जितने भी हैं मैम से क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे। और रेडी, प्लीज स्टार्ट।
Good morning, I am Kanika from 9th standard. Our school name is Chanakya International School. I want to ask some questions. My first question is, what did you want when you are young? What did you want to become when you were young?
What did we
हैव इट मैम.
I always wanted to travel around the world.
ओके 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 ओके. तो भाई सुविधा तो सारी है. हैव सीट बेटा.
Thanks for your question, Gus. For your question, I've always wanted to travel around the world, explore new cultures, new countries. I always wanted to do that. I love to see beautiful places and get to know about other people, other side of the world. So that all have been always my passion. Yeah.
Okay, I like your question. First of all, I want to greet you all, okay? And I want to present myself. So my name is Souhir, Souhir, okay? So I'm from Tunisia. Who knows where is it located? Tunisia. Who heard about this before? Just raise your hands.
अरे टूनिशिया कहाँ पे है?
Tunisia country. No, it's not in North America. Another continent. Could you guess?
कोई
Okay, I'll answer for this. So it is in North Africa. Northern Africa, we are sharing the borders with Libya and Algeria. Okay. So for your question, I'm obsessed with French language. Okay. So and now my mission is as a French teacher, and I'm working in GD going a global school. He said. So that's what I want from I was young, and at the same time, like these foreign languages makes you discovering another languages as well. So that's why I learning like English, and I have Italian language, and I have French language, and my native language is Arabic as well, of course. So what else? What I want is discovering another cultures is so compulsory for me as I'm obsessed with foreign languages. So that's so related. Okay, thank you for your question.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन पूछना चाहेगा या चाहेगी? ओके नाइस. खड़ा हो गया क्या? अच्छा.
What is the currency in your country?
Okay.
Ji.
I would like to thank you again for your question. And since you asked about the currency about my country, I would like also to introduce my country. I am from Egypt, and my name is Nada. I want to know if anyone knows about my country. Anyone knows Egypt? You know about Egypt, right? Pyramids, pharaonic, mummies, and all. You know, right? Yeah. So it's also Arabic country. It's located in North Africa, and we speak Arabic language. For my currency, my country, it's Egyptian pound. Yeah.
ओके ओके. तो मैडम मैं एक बात पूछ लूँ, ये भाई ट्रांसलेटर का रोल निभाएंगे क्योंकि मैं हरियाणवी हूँ और अंग्रेजी आती को नहीं यार, विशेष अंग्रेजी मीडियम पढ़ा को नहीं ना. मैडम एक मिनट पूछना कि जो इजिप्ट है, इजिप्ट देयर पिरामिड
Yes.
है ना?
Misr in Hindi.
मिस्र.
Misr in Hindi you say Misr.
या ओके ओके. हाउ लॉन्ग?
It's very high, like very high. Pyramids you're speaking about?
Yeah.
Yes. It's very high, and one stone it's like how many tons? Like I guess 2 or 3 tons in one stone of the pyramids.
Okay.
And this is the mysterious thing of the pyramids that till now no one knows how they built it and how they put stone upon stone till the last one.
वन स्टोन 2-3 टन.
Yeah, it's very heavy and very big, and it's very well done, like very organized, very good shape.
With all tools, of
Yeah,
course. Yeah.
as if it's been done with a very modern equipment and high technology. But of course, it's not, because it's like 3,500 years ago.
ओके. मैडम पूछना कि वो उस टाइम इंजीनियर तो नहीं थे, वो बनाए कैसे?
हाँ, तो यही बोल रहे हैं वो कि मिस्ट्री है कि वो कैसे बना था, क्योंकि बहुत ऐसा लगता है मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी से.
अच्छा ये बता दिया इन्होंने. देखा इंटेलिजेंस तो यहाँ से पता चला भाई. तो थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन पूछेगा? ओके,
I want to
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
my name is Muskan.
ओके, वो नहीं है जी.
I want to know the mummies are really here or not.
This is a really good question. And first time I came to India, everyone was asking me about this. So we do have mummies, but it's not alive. It's not gonna run after you. No.
Mummies are horrible.
No, we have mummies like for only people used to like do the mummy thing and to keep their body safe. Yes. We have mummies, but it's not alive.
Okay.
Like mummy will not chase them. No, we don't have this.
Okay. जी, हुस्न भाई नेक्स्ट कौन पूछेगा रे? अरे हाथ खड़ा कर लो यार. या, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Sneha from 7th standard.
Okay.
I want to ask a question. Do you like Punjabi culture, language?
Yes, of course. And Punjabi songs is the best, you know. Yes, we love, of course, and Punjabi food and all. Yes.
पंजाबी गाना सॉन्ग सुनाना जी. Sing the song. हाँ.
Sing a song.
हाँ, पंजाबी. Any one or two word?
Tell me. I know one song, but I'm not sure if it's Punjabi or not. This is Banja tu meri rani.
Okay. You know Punjabi song?
I'm not sure, but I know that hit song is what that Lamborghini, but I don't know about others.
Lamborghini चलाई जाने.
Yeah, I know that song.
Okay. इतनी आवर है मैंने भी. Okay. Next. Yep.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, myself Tripti. I studied in 9th class. Today, can you try to speak in Haryanvi words?
I know that in India there are many languages, and this is so hard. Like for me,
It's very easy language.
Every language is
Very
but
interesting language.
see, it's easy maybe because you know it. But if I start talking in Arabic, you won't be able to understand me, and they will say it's easy. Arabic is easy, right? Yeah. Okay. So I know some like 30 words. Like I mean, yeah, I know namaste, kisao, bahut acha, bariya, something like this. Nothing more.
Ma'am, can you try?
You can tell me and I will repeat after you.
When we welcome to someone,
Yeah.
so I tell Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. I know Ram Ram. Namaskar. I know that. Yeah.
Or when you tell boy,
Huh.
Chota.
Chora.
Chora.
That means welcome as well.
Boy.
Boy. Okay. Boy is chora.
For
Chora.
Chori.
छोरा and chori.
Okay. Chori for girls.
Yeah.
Okay. I know chota. Chota means
छोटा small.
Okay. Okay. I think someone has asked about currency, right? Who was that? You asked about currencies. No?
अरे करेंसी के बारे में कौन पूछ रहा था?
Yeah, he asked about.
Do you know the currency of Tunisia? No. Okay, it's Tunisian dinar. Okay, and like
Ma'am, can again speak, ma'am, what's your currency name?
dinar is DINAR.
Dinar?
Tunisian dinar.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
They are powerful.
Yes, it's equal to 27 rupees.
Equal to
1
27
dinar,
rupees.
yeah, it's equal to
Okay.
27 rupees.
तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Thank you, ma'am.
इधर से कोई नहीं पूछना चाहेगा? अरे खड़ो स्मॉल पैकेट बड़ा धमाका खड़ो. हाँ लास्ट अभी पूछ ले बेटा. नहीं शर्मा मत यार. अच्छा दीदी पूछेगी. दीदी पूछो.
Now I would like to ask a question. What difference do you find in your culture and our culture?
Okay, it's a good question. Like since I was in my country, I know that India had the largest civilization and culture in the world. I know this very well, and I have realized something that is here I can find even in one country there are many languages. So that was so weird for me because in my country like we have only one language.
and different dialects. We can say dialects, not languages. Okay. Second thing is that you have, even in your weddings, different cultures. Okay. You have many festivals like Holi. I love Holi. And that Diwali, we don't have Diwali. And what else? Okay, let me think. Okay, about your traditional wears, and I love that lehenga and saris. You are lucky people. Okay.
Kurta pijama.
And kurta pijama, exactly. And kurti also. So I think there is a huge difference between our culture and your culture. Seriously. I feel here like I'm living the life. We have more festivals. You people always happy, always singing, always like trying to express your feelings. For ours, we have like few, like we can say like New Year or something like this. Nothing more than this. Do you want to know about Egypt culture? Yes.
First time I came here to India, I started to explore about the country, got to know about the people, culture and all. And as Mr. Virshi said that you people have, in one country, you have too many different languages.
800 languages, if I'm right. 800 languages, right?
Yeah.
800. At least, oh my God.
Yes, and different religions, different, in each state has its own food, folklore and all. And the diversity of like your costumes and everything. In Egypt, we have also diversity, but not much as India, because India is like a very big country. I also found some similarities between people, the way they think and their perspective of life. I have found some similarities, but somehow some difference also. So I didn't feel here, after few months here, I start to feel, oh, it's my second country. I didn't feel here that I'm a foreigner. Now I can deal with people, I can understand them and speak with them. So we have Arabic culture, if you have ever got to know about Arabic countries and all. So we basically have Arabic culture, and yeah, basically Tunisia and Egypt are very similar because both are Arabic country and we speak Arabic. It's the main language in our countries.
I have a question, ma'am.
Yes.
Are you missing your parents?
Yes, of course. Definitely I'm missing my parents. And I want to ask them to come here to visit India. I am so sure they will love it. Yes.
Okay, for me, I just came back. So I spent 1 year. Then I spent 3 months with my parents. Then I came back. Now I spend 1 month here. Since I came from my country. So, yeah, I don't have time to miss them.
In Egypt, have pyramid. In Tunisia, have something?
Yeah, of course we have. We have that big band like London band, but it's smaller than London one. Okay. Yeah, this is the famous thing that we have, and we have different climates. Like we have desert, we have snow, we have forest, we have many things.
In India, have many festivals. In Tunisia and Egypt, have some festival?
Not that much. We have few than you. Not that, yeah.
We have the New Year festival, and we have like feast, Eid al-Adha and Eid
religious
festivals.
Okay.
And I think one more.
But India is the top in these festivals. I can believe in that, yeah.
But now in our countries also we got some from the Indian culture. Like in some area in Egypt they celebrate Holi with color festival and all.
You live in India. You feel safe or not?
Yes, I feel safe. Yes.
Of course, definitely. Otherwise, I will not come again.
Okay. Thank you. And what's your next? अरे थारा अगला के पर्सन के है भाई? पूछो. हाँ.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am Miku from class 8. I want to ask a question that tell us something about your food habits.
Okay. I can answer on this.
Yeah.
Please. Yeah. Okay. So the thing. Yeah. Please. Thank you. The thing is became like for me. It appears for me awkward is that you have that concept of veg and non-veg. In my country, yoga recently came, and people are recently following that veg concept. So almost of them, like I can say 99% are following non-veg food. So just only 1% are following that veg food, and I'm eagerly waiting to follow this veg food because it's more healthier, it's more good for body, and I'm trying to follow also yoga and these traditions that you have. I'm really proud of you people because you have a very good lifestyle.
Okay. Ji.
Yeah, for Egypt, it's very different than here in India because we have bread. It's very main in breakfast and in dinner as well. And we basically have continental breakfast like jam, cheese, eggs and all. And in lunch, only in lunch, main course will be non-veg. We also don't have the concept of being vegetarian in Egypt. I don't think we have this. But as Ms. Soher mentioned, like the yoga and being healthy and meditation here in India, we started like to know about it more. And definitely we have tried veg like paneer here in India and all. So yes, we totally, our food, the way we cook it's totally different than India.
Okay. Where's Mike? Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I am Kumla from 7th standard. I want to ask, who miss you a lot when you are not at home?
Repeat.
Who do you miss the most when you are, back home? Who's that person who you miss the most?
The most one I miss my mom and my cat. I have a cat in my room and I really miss my cat, and of course my mom, she's the most one I miss.
Give a message for mom.
Huh?
A message for your mom.
For your mom.
In English?
Of course.
As you wish.
Yeah, so like I really miss you, and I am so happy, I'm so grateful for you because you have been supporting me for everything in my life, and you are the best mom in the world.
Nice, that's good.
Message for mom.
I did not miss my mom yet. I just came. So I want to say something for the students that parents are like the precious thing that we have in our life. And I can understand that you all are missing your parents, but you should focus on your future first. So step by step, your parents will be so proud of you, and you will be like happy that you are show up in front of your parents. So just be and realize your dream first, then you can live a happy life with your parents.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next question. Have it.
Hello ma'am, myself Mehak from Khatkar, my village name, and I'm proud to be an Indian and also an Haryana from. And my question is that in our school we celebrate some cultural activities in school. Students take part in that. Okay, so is there in your school? Is that thing in your school that you celebrate some cultural things and festivals? We celebrate all festivals in our school. You celebrate in your schools?
So do you mean like celebrating festivals, Indian festivals in our school in Egypt? Yes. Yes, as I mentioned before, like Holi, some school and some areas in university also started to celebrate Holi festival. It's become very popular. And non-Indian festival, also Halloween. Also some schools are celebrating this kind of festivals. So those are the two foreign festivals that was not in our culture, but nowadays world is open. So you take from other people's cultures as well, as you also try to spread your culture. So yes, we celebrating Holi and we celebrating Halloween.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so in my country, Holi is like coming popular, like Nada Ma'am said. But in schools, I don't think we can celebrate because we can get like holidays, but we cannot have it in school. Like we cannot use that colors and all in our school because our school are so strict, and we can have that holiday and we celebrate it outside the way what we want. Okay, so for this, yeah, usually we have holidays, we don't celebrate it in schools. Thank you for your question.
Next.
morning, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Daksh from 4th standard.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell us how do you say good morning in your language?
Good morning, my language. See, in Arabic we have academic Arabic. That means the general Arabic. Like you have Hindi, which almost of you understand Hindi, right? And you have that different languages, but we have different dialects. There is a difference between language and dialects, right, ma'am?
Ma'am, we have language as well as dialect. Within languages, there are so many dialects.
Okay, so they know about dialects as well. Nice. So in academic Arabic is Sabah al Khair. Bonjour. Okay, good morning in Arabic is Sabah al Khair. Yes, this is the general answer. If you say to any Arabic person or people like that Sabah al Khair, he will definitely understand you. Okay, is it easy or not? No, it's not easy. If you start learning this, you will find it easy step by step.
In your language, ma'am, how to say?
It's same because we both speak Arabic. As she mentioned, we have the Arabiya Fusha, which is the written language, the formal one. And all Arabic people, all Arabic countries, we know how to read, we know how to speak. But in each country, we have different dialect. So as she said, Sabah al Khair, it's the good morning in Arabic. It's the standard one. But for example, if I will say how are you in Egyptian, I would say for her Zayik. But if she want to tell me how are you in Tunisian dialect, she will say Shno ahwalik. It's totally different. But still, we both can understand each other.
Istanbul, where's it?
Standard language. It's Arabiya Fusha. The
formal one.
Formal one. It is a written language.
Okay.
So all Arabic countries are able to read and speak the Arabiya Fusha. But the dialect, it's different.
In your language, how in alphabets? How many alphabets in your language?
28.
Yeah, we have 28 and it seems like Urdu.
It seems like
Urdu.
Exactly like Urdu. Whomever who can read Urdu, I think they will be able to read the Arabic.
Kind of.
Yeah, because it's almost the same alphabet.
Okay. Like namaz.
Namaz, yes.
Namaz, yeah.
Yes, namaz.
There are any temple? Gurdwara?
No.
We have Jama mosque.
We have Jama.
Jama Masjid.
Yeah.
Allahu Akbar.
Yes, exactly.
La ilaha illallah.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks for your question.
Next. अरे छोटा पैकेट पड़ा धमाका. Any student? Last. Okay. Have it. अभी ना पूछो, मैं को वहाँ चला जाऊँ, फिर भाग के आना पड़ेगा मेरे को नहीं तो. Let's shoot your question.
Good morning. I am fine.
थोड़ा सा पास करके बोल लो यार. थोड़ा सा पास कर, आवाज आ रही है सर इसमें से.
Which is your favorite food?
रोटी पूछना था.
My favorite food. Food in India.
I think they're hungry, right? You should serve them some food.
In India?
Yeah.
My favorite is biryani. Okay. I like biryani and paneer.
Okay.
This is the most I like here in India.
Okay, I think you have that small thing, that pani puri.
Wow.
Yeah.
Golgappe.
Yeah, it is delicious, and I would like to thank you all because it's a big pleasure and a big opportunity for me and for Nada Ma'am as well, of course, that we are the first foreigners here. I would like seriously to thank you all and all the best for all of you.
I would like to thank you also for the warm greeting you gave us. Thank you so much for your hospitality as well. It's my pleasure to be here.
Okay, can I have some questions for you people? Yes. Okay, who can tell me what is the currency of India? I don't know the currency of India. Yes.
Currency of India. Wait. Currency of India.
Rupees.
This is
Once again.
Rupees.
Rupees.
Oh, nice. I know it's rupees. I was just checking. Okay, what is like the biggest state in India?
Biggest state in India. Yeah.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. This is right.
Wow.
Nice.
Clapping.
And is India in the first has the first population or second or third? Who can guess?
Repeat your question.
Yes. Population of India. Is it the first one in the world, second or third?
Second is the one.
Second. And first one is
Ma'am, I think Russia.
No.
No, I'm China.
China. Capital of India.
New Delhi.
Okay, I think only this table. Why all these students are replying? You people. Capital of India.
Last में खड़ा हो भाई.
Capital of India.
So easy question. Okay, it's Delhi like that. Okay, do you have any questions?
Yes, of course. Do you know where is Taj Mahal?
Definitely.
Yes, you the right? Yes. Agra.
Agra.
Great.
Are you visit there, ma'am?
Yes, I did. I did visit it. Taj Mahal, yes. The only state I want to visit, Rajasthan. Hawa Mahal and all, yeah. What else questions?
Like for me, I really like Taj Mahal, but for me, I discovered a good, very like good place. Another place is that Akshardham temple.
Akshardham in
It
Delhi.
is yeah, it is really like unexpected. It was unbelievable, and I recommend you all to go there and visit it. Who has been in Akshardham temple? You have visited? Yes. Nice. For others, I recommend you to go there. It's a very, very good place. Seriously.
And stay there and you have to watch the fountain.
Water show.
Water show, yes. Water show. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, especially at night. And also, who have visited Taj Mahal? Yes. And you know there is one Egyptian song. It's like a duo between India and Egypt. It's been shooted and filmed all in Taj Mahal.
Right.
Okay, have you ever heard this song? Nari Narin. No? Okay, it's one Egyptian song. It's a duo between Egyptian singer and Indian singer. And it's been shooted all in Taj Mahal with Indian dance and Indian folklore. It's so good.
Okay. And any question?
Any other questions you have? Yes, please.
Again, I am asking you a question. How many languages spoken in your country?
I was explaining this to you when he was asking what is good morning in your language. We don't have different languages. We have different dialects, and there is a big difference between them. Okay, so all of us we are speaking and talking in Arabic only, but we have different dialects. So if someone is asking me, I would definitely understand him. Okay, there is no problems in this.
What language, ma'am?
It's Arabic.
Arabic.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Do you know how many languages are in India have?
At least 800. We already asked.
The one in the back wants to ask something.
Good morning, ma'am. Do you like Bollywood movies?
Bollywood movies. I love Bollywood movies. And I'm very addicted. So lately I have seen the Kabir Singh movie.
Favorite movie, ma'am? Favorite movie?
Favorite movie? I have told him that I have seen that Kabir Singh movie and it was amazing.
Kabir Singh.
or
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Can I ask what's the thing that make you in this school? What you love in this school? Could someone answer me? What is the best thing in this school? Yeah.
The school structure is so much good. There is a computer lab, physics lab, science lab, and chemistry lab also. There are so many sports are there also in the school, and the teachers are cooperating all the students.
Okay, nice.
There are smart classes.
Okay, that's good. You are lucky people. Nice. That's
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Nice. Okay. And do you have any foreign languages? No. Okay, which language you love the most?
Ma'am, I love English language.
English language. I can see that. That's nice.
Okay, if the school will add a new language, like apart from Hindi and English, another language, which language you would like to learn the most?
Except English and
Yeah,
Hindi.
except English and Hindi, which other language you would like to learn the most? What? French.
Hello,
Yeah,
I'm
she's a
here.
French teacher. Do you know any words in French? Do you know how to say good morning in French? Bonjour, right?
It's bonjour. B-O-N-G-O-U-R. Bonjour.
And how to say how are you in French? Do you know? Comment ça va?
It's comment ça va. Okay, this is enough for today.
Yes.
Next day we will try for another.
Do you have any other question you would like to ask?
Ma'am, like we have too many sports, Kho-Kho, basketball and other sports. I want to ask your country sports.
You mean national sport?
Yeah.
Yeah,
National.
the most famous is football in Egypt. We have swimming, basketball and all, but the most famous is football. And do you know Mohamed Salah? Do you know Mohamed Salah, the player in Liverpool? Okay, he's Egyptian and he's so famous playing in Liverpool in England. But our most popular one is football.
Yeah, it's same in my country. It's football basically, and second you can say it's tennis.
Football is the biggest game.
Yeah, it's national game in my country. Does anyone know the capital of Tunisia? What is it?
Tunisia capital.
I will start with easy country. Capital of Egypt. So all you know Egypt, but you don't know the capital, right? Ma'am, could you please tell them about the capital?
Do you know Cairo? Have you ever heard about Cairo?
Cairo.
Yes, Cairo is capital of Egypt.
And Tunis is the capital of Tunisia. Tunis.
Okay.
Huh. Any other questions?
Oops. Oh, ताकत आई छोरे में. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Did you like our culture?
Again?
Do I like your culture?
दोबारा पूछ दोबारा.
Did you like our culture?
Yeah, definitely, of course. You have very, very good culture, and I'm really happy to be here again. And I would like to stay more and more in India. Hope I will see you in Tunisia, in my country.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yeah, sure.
Do you know dance?
Yeah, we know dance like a little
Everyone see that.
They want
Dance,
to see
dance,
dancing.
dance, dance.
They dance, we will like escort them, we accompany them. Like they will dance, we will escort them in dancing.
Okay, okay, okay. One girl, please stand up. One girl, please stand up. One. And one. हाँ आगे आ जाओ. Please ma'am. Clap. डांस का कोई भी स्टेप. हरियाणवी like that. Yeah. Please ma'am, one step.
think if we use
ये हाँ
yeah, we have similar because we have belly dancing in Egypt. So
okay belly dance
yeah.
oh my god please belly dance one step after that students
What?
belly dance one step belly step
Dance,
one step
one step belly dance.
हाँ yeah do you know bhangra
Do you, what?
bhangra dance
Bhangra dance? No.
bhangra like that one
Oh yeah, this one I know.
This one.
They used to do in Holi.
okay Holi
Yeah, in Holi they with drums and they used to do this.
okay ma'am please
Yes, who will teach me?
ये belly dance
Belly dance.
Belly dance.
No, we have a different type. It's like this.
this.
Oriental dance.
Oriental
yeah.
dance.
Yeah, it is Oriental.
bhangra
No, I don't know Bhangra. But I don't know that one.
this one
Oh yeah.
ये
Yes.
okay bhangra like this ये
Yes.
you can अरे करके दिखा सकते हो ना हाँ फिर तुम तो कुछ भी कर सकते हो यार
Don't feel shy. Come on, show us. Okay.
ये please
That's nice.
ये
Classical
Class
dance.
like
How?
we have seen too many different type of dancing, but we don't know the name of this dance for each particular dance. If you show me, I will tell you if I have seen this or no.
classical dance like that 1 2
I
3
guess we have seen
in Kingdom
one.
of Dreams.
Kingdom of Dreams,
Yeah,
yes.
I have seen this.
We have seen
do
this.
you know how to do that
No, this type
It's
of
complicated.
Yeah, complicated. It's
Little
particular
complicated.
Yeah.
steps. Yeah.
Easy master step. Okay, they are playing sounds.
Yes, ma'am. We're going to have a dance performance for you.
दक्ष अरे दक्ष आ बेटा खुश हो गए ना एनी क्वेश्चन बेटा माइक दे गया उनको
Which course like students want to do in your country that students want very famous in your country, people want to do that course in study and course.
Which course they want to do? You mean which most popular study in Egypt? It's medicine and engineering.
medicine and engineering
Yes.
okay next ओ डांस करके दिमाग चल पड़ा ना
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I am Tanu from 6th standard. And now tell me about some education system of your country.
You mean education system of my country or your country?
your country Tunisia
My country.
Yeah.
We are following European system, okay, and especially for French system. So we have the same one.
which country education system is best Egypt Tunisia or India
Of course, my country.
We are following the IB system in Egypt, only IB. Yes, this is the education system in Egypt. And I also think it's the best my country.
Indian education which how many give you rank out of 10
No, it's not about ranking. for example, I'm having experience with GD Goenka, and GD Goenka has that IB system, Cambridge system, CBSE. So I cannot say like that needs this rank or I can evaluate this. Okay, so if the student is doing like his best, that means he deserves to have that system. If even it is a CBSE, he will develop himself like by himself.
Next question.
Ma'am, have you visited this like 8 wonders are there in our world? So have you visited anyone?
Except Taj Mahal and Paris, no, like 2. And still I have how many? There are 7 or 8. 7. Okay, so I have visited 2 and still the other are remaining.
Which 2?
Like Tour Eiffel Tower, okay, and Taj Mahal of course.
Many 7 wonders? Yeah, I also have visited 2, like pyramids in my country and Taj Mahal.
Okay. Next question. Have it.
Do you like to call us in your country?
Definitely, of course, you are all welcome. I wish I can see you in my country one day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tell me what's your dream job? What do you want to be when you...
Repeat, please.
Your dream job?
IPS.
Okay, you are totally welcome in my country. Thank you.
Any question? आजा भाई आगे आगे ही आजा पूछ लो
Hello ma'am. Good morning.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Who is your favorite singer?
Favorite singer?
Yeah.
I don't have a favorite singer. Like I used to listen to all types of songs, but
Like before I come here, I used to follow like Korean, like I was interested in Korean culture and all, so I learned about Korean and there is one Korean band I used to follow. But here in India and overall, I used to listen to all songs, all type of songs, no favorite one.
Okay, for my favorite singer, I cannot say because I don't know singers very well, like I mean Indian singers, okay? But I don't know if I'm supposed to say or not, but that Daru Badnam, I think you have. Yeah. Yeah, I love that song. I don't know if I'm supposed to say this in the school or not. As the meaning is, exactly, yeah.
Next.
Thank you for your question.
Which is your favorite subject?
I'm a French teacher, so my favorite subject is French language.
And then yours?
Mine, when I was in high school, I used to like history. I like history to read about like my country history and other country histories, to know more about culture and all. And one more, yeah, I liked also French when I was in high school. I love to learn new languages, so French also was my favorite.
Thank you.
Yes.
Do you like maths or science?
Math, yes, but science not much. No.
For me, the inverse. Like I like science so much. For maths, I wasn't so. I was trying my best, but it was okay.
What's your qualification, ma'am?
I'm especially my major was in French language.
Okay.
Yeah, basically I'm a French teacher.
Okay.
From my country. Yeah.
Business administration in my country, like Faculty of Commerce, Business Administration Department.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1 घंटा और क्लास चल गई, मैं अंग्रेजी में बोलने लग जाऊंगा यार. ओके, इस बेंच के बच्चे बीमार हैं क्या?
Favorite festival?
फेवरेट फेस्टिवल?
You mean in India? In India? For me, is Holi. Holi is my favorite.
It's so colorful. So that's
For
why.
me is Diwali. I really love Diwali. I love the decoration, fireworks and all. My favorite Diwali.
Okay.
What about you?
आपका कौन सा है?
मैम होली।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा पीछे दे।
I'm sorry, I cannot hear you properly.
Loud, थोड़ा ऊंचा बोल यार।
You listen many songs. Tell us one of them.
I'm sorry.
Again.
You listen many songs. Tell us one of them.
You listen Mehndi song.
No, Mehndi songs.
Many song.
Many songs. You mean in Indian language? No, like I can hear many. I know that Lehenga song. I know that Lamborghini, Mini Cooper. I know these songs, but I cannot understand the meaning. This is the problem. Like I'm trying.
Okay. Lyrics problem.
Yeah, lyrics problem. Music is good. I really like the music. Yeah.
Can you sing one song?
I'm sorry, I have very bad voice.
In Tunisian language.
Tunisian language.
Yeah.
Let me think. Just give me 1 second. But I have a horrible voice. You can see. Okay, let me think.
غني لهم الاغنيه دي بتاعت
قالوا لي روح براني.
لا دي ممله. غني بتاعت الطفل دي يا ليلى.
Okay, yeah, I think you know this song. Okay, it's Tunisian. That يا ليلي ويا ليلى وش باش نشكي لك يما اريدي قالوا لي. I don't remember very well. That was Tunisian, by the way. That يا ليلي is Tunisian.
What is the meaning of these lines?
Like a small boy, he was like complaining to his mom about the society and about the pressure and stress which he's living in. Okay, so he was just complaining for his mom and telling her his suffers.
Okay. Any question?
Do you like Justin Bieber?
Justin Bieber, obviously I like him. Obviously. Who?
Babbu Man is Punjabi singer.
I don't know even. I'm sorry, I don't know.
Do you like one?
अरे नहीं नहीं.
It's same question.
Same question.
We know the songs, but we don't remember the name of the singers.
Okay.
So we listen to different type of Indian songs, but we don't know the name of singer.
Okay. हाँ भाई क्वेश्चनिंग बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुकी है. कोई कुछ सिंगिंग कर सकता है क्या इधर से? एक क्वेश्चन लास्ट वन लास्ट. ओके या
Ma'am, what is your hobby?
व्हाट्स योर हॉबी मैम?
My hobby. My hobby is swimming and traveling.
Okay.
I like swimming. I used to swim when I was a little kid for around till 8 years. So my big hobby is swimming.
Okay. तो कोई इधर से कोई सिंगिंग वगैरह कोई कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? Anyone? Rap. Okay. इधर से कोई सिंगिंग कोई हरियाणवी कुछ भी? पंजाबी सिंग कौन दोनों? ओके सिंगिंग प्लीज लाउडली.
ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੈਲੀ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਘੁੰਮੇ ਜੇ ਬਾਂਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਨਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਮੇਰੀ ਆਂਖ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੈਲੀ ਪਾ
अब सुनाओ जोर से.
ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੈਲੀ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਘੁੰਮੇ ਜੇ ਬਾਂਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਨਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਮੇਰੀ ਆਂਖ ਜੇ ਬਾਚ ਕਿਦਾ ਕਿਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਦਾ ਸਮੂਹ ਬਣ ਲਾ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸ਼ਰਿਆਮ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਚਰਚੇ ਬੇਬੇ ਬਾਬੂ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਕਿਦਾ ਸਾਠ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਪਰਚੇ ਤੂੰ ਯਾਰਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਪਵੋ ਨਾ 26 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਕਵਾਰੀ ਬੈਠੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਮਝ ਨਾ ਬੋਲੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਪਤਾ ਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਵੇ ਆਏ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਜਿਨੇ ਬਣ ਰੋਮੀਓ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਮਿਲੇ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਮੈਪ ਤੇ ਸਮਝ ਨਾ ਬੋਲੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਪਤਾ ਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਵੇ आए मेरे पीछे जिन्हें बने रोमियो मुड़ के ना मिले चंडीगढ़ मैप ते घूमदी मोहाली तेरी थार वैरिया कंबे दिलिया जिना किसे ना लड़के मम्मी डैडी पूछदे मुंडे दी डिग्री कि 10-8 चल दे तेरे ते परचे तू यारा पीछे फिरदा पवो ना 26 साल दी कवारी बड़ी तेरे करके
Nice. Yeah, come on. Rapping. Okay. Rap. Yeah.
चलो सर हो डरना तू छड़ दे नहीं वेखी की माता सदे नहीं तंग तेनू करदा है कौन कौन नहीं
ये खड़ा कर रखे हूँ
पहले यही सुनाएगा
अच्छा पहले ये सुनाएगा फिर हाँ चल दोबारा से प्लीज
हो डरना तू छड़ दे नहीं वेखी की माता सदे नहीं तंग तेनू करदा है कौन कौन नहीं सरकमफ्रेंस देखी है हो जी पढ़ा दूं देखी पुट्ठी मैं मड़ा दूं देखी टोन देखी ओ स्कूल हो मित्रा दी वाइफ बलिए नहीं ओ स्कूल इस करके हाइप बलिए ओ स्कूल नी बैच वाले यार जट दे नहीं ओ स्कूल तेरी गोरी गर्दन बलिए तबाही बन गई नी मर जानिए तू नित दी गवाही बन गई नी मेरे उत्ते जांदे ने कमेंट कर दे नी इस करके हाइप बलिए नहीं ओ स्कूल
ओ मुकड़ा नहीं है सुन बड़े तामे जामे है नहीं अगे पीछे मामे है नहीं गब्बर उती चेक कर टोन बलिए मिठी है नहीं रन्ना वाला अड़खंदे गन्ना वाला जट तेरा लेके आया दौर बलिए कर गोर बलिए बत्ती एक्सटेंड नहीं हो मेघ जट दा हिट चीज़ा उत्ते लगदा नहीं टेक जट दा फिरदा है दुनिया नु सर करदा मुस्से वाला रहंदा नहीं उस वाला विचों नहीं
थैंक यू भाई थैंक यू सिंगिंग ओके
तेरा मुखड़ा चांद का टुकड़ा नी तेरी ऐनक तेरे शू क्या बात है नी तेरा काजल कर दे पागल हिप्नोटाइज करे जगनू क्या बात है थैंक यू
आगे आओ बाकी आओ बेटा आजा बेटा शाबाश रुक उसको भी आने दे क्या नाम है आपका
माय नेम इज यशिका
ओके व्हाट्स योर नेम
माय नेम इज भारती
ओके सुनाओ
चुंदड़ी जयपुर तय मंगवाइया इंडी सोने की गड़वा गले में घंटी गेड़ कहना टोकनी चांदी की आटाई रूप कति निखरा पाट जिक्र बहू की मान की काली दामन नीचे पैरी जुती बन गई देखो चीज कसुती गज बन पानी न चाली गज बन पानी न चाली
थैंक यू ओके एनीवन इज योगा किसी को योगा आती है ओके तो क्या कुछ योगा में करके दिखा सकते हो आप योगा में ब्रिज चक्रासन एनीवे कोई और कुछ और ओके योगा में बस ओके हाँ कुछ भी ओके नाइस पोस्चर नाइस ओके थैंक यू तो मैम a message for this cute students where's mic okay listen please
So first of all, I would like to thank you all. I had a great time with you and I'm really happy to meet you all. And I would like to encourage you and to have a very bright future. Just rely on yourselves, okay? And study hard and all the best. Good luck.
I would like to thank you so much for your warm welcome and your hospitality again. And I really enjoyed my time with you. I would like to advise you to focus on your study and to have a very good future, best future, coming future. And keep it up. Oh, thank you.
Can we have a selfie, all of us? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Let us come in the middle, all of us, and
Say cheese.
thank you.
मैम आपको कैसा लग रहा है? पहली बार स्कूल में हुआ है किसी हरियाणा में किसी जिन में मैंने पहली बार देखा, वो भी गांव में। ओके ओके ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू। चलो जी, मेरे एक भाई हैं, उनसे बात कर लेते हैं। सर कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
तो आप इस डेलीगेशन को लेके आए हैं।
हाँ जी।
तो क्या कुछ अब आपको आगे का प्लान नज़र आ रहा है? ये तो खैर एक शॉर्ट मीटिंग रही।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
इन फ्यूचर इन 1 वीक क्लासेस, 1 मंथ क्लासेस,
हाँ बिल्कुल, क्लासेस
पॉसिबल होगी।
हाँ बिल्कुल, लगाएंगे इनके साथ क्लास हम लोग। हम अपने सेक्शन को और बढ़ाना चाहेंगे इनके साथ, और मीटिंग्स हमारी और आगे भी अच्छी होंगी। अभी एक आज यहाँ है, कल
ट्रायल वर्जन रहा है।
या अभी ट्रायल वर्जन है। कल हमारा जो दूसरी विंग है अलेवा में चाणक्य ग्लोबल स्कूल है, कल वहाँ इनका प्रोग्राम रहेगा।
ओके।
हाँ, तो वहाँ हम लोग इनके साथ यही सेम कल्चरल जो मीट है हमारा वो रहेगा कल भी।
ओके
हाँ जी,
ठीक है ब्रो, थैंक यू। तो जी यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा रहा। हेलो मैम। आपने मेरे एक ट्रांसलेटर की भूमिका निभाई और बहुत अच्छे से ये जो सिस्टम किया आपने, बहुत अच्छा किया। अब आपको क्या लगा, बच्चों को क्या कुछ सीख पाए, क्या कुछ आगे की प्लान?
No, our students were very confident and I'm so proud of them. And you know, I guess we had a very nice interaction, I hope ma'am. So yeah, so we are going to heading to every class. So you know, because there are more students that very excited to meet you. So we'll just round up the school, we'll go there and then you can interact with students. So this is the end of this session and thank you ma'am, thank you, this is very nice. Yeah.
क्योंकि ये मेरे छोटे छोटे भाई हैं, छोटी छोटी बहन है, गांव का परिवेश है और यहाँ पर किसी अंग्रेज का आना इनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है यार, सच्ची कहूँ भाई मैं। तो कैसा लगा भाई प्रोग्राम ये? बहुत बढ़िया ना? हिप हिप। ओके, सो अब विजिट करेंगे, हर क्लासेस में चलेंगे, मैम के साथ देखेंगे क्या कुछ रहता है भाई। तब तक के लिए वीडियो के लिए धन्यवाद।
So you are in which subject now? Studying which subject now? What? Chemistry. Chemistry. Nice.
Actually, test was here, but this is for repair is going on. This is normal for them.
I love your uniform. It's so good. Yes. First time. Good morning. All the best. All the best to you all. It's good that you have.
चाणक्य इंटरनेशनल कसूर में जो फॉरेन से डेलीगेशन आया है वो हर क्लासेस में घूम रहे हैं, तो पूछते हैं फॉरेन से। इसी तो मेरी अंग्रेजी है यार, मैं क्या तो पूछूंगा, फिर भी समथिंग इज़ बेटर दैन नथिंग। हम पूछते हैं। सॉरी मैम।
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you?
Nice. What do you have as a subject now? Subject. What are you reading now? English. Nice. English.
Then you should feel energy. It's afternoon now. Are you sleepy? No?
No. I
No,
really,
good.
really like your uniform. It's so good.
Yeah.
My preferred color.
Yeah. My favorite color.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a good day. Enjoy your day. Thank
All
you
the
so
best for
much.
you all.
Actually, first time in this village, a foreigner delegation is coming.
Okay, okay.
So little bit nervous.
Yes, yes, I can see. Even happens in our school. First time we came, we were a little bit nervous.
Yeah.
But now situation is so good.
When you coming in again and again,
Yes, yes.
you feel freely.
Yeah. They can communicate, and I really like their interact with us downstairs.
Exactly.
Yeah, in the lobby down, they interacted with us so good. Like it makes me feel comfortable.
Their students so innocent.
Yes.
Yeah. So a little bit nervous, feel nervous.
Yeah, and they are so decent. I really liked.
But this is so like often, like even we are adults, we can meet someone for the first time, you can feel nervous.
Yeah,
we can understand this. So then,
It takes time till you get used it and start to feel comfortably to speak with them and all. Yeah.
तो भाई सच्ची बात है यार, ये तो क्योंकि बच्चों से जब पहली बार कोई अंग्रेज, जब किसी सी देश से हो लेकिन अंग्रेज है हमारे खातर वो भाई आवे, तो ऐसा ही लगा है कि भाई पता नहीं कैसे होंगे, क्या कुछ होगा। लेकिन जब इन रेगुलरली आते रहे, महीने में, 2 महीने, 6 महीने में, तो फ्रेंडली ज़रूर होंगे। तो
everything is fine? Enjoy the lecture?
Which subject you are having now? Science?
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit. Okay.
Sanskrit.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, good luck and focus on your future. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank you so much.
सर, बच्चों की मांग है कि ये जो डेलीगेशन है बार बार आता रहे ताकि बच्चे थोड़े खुल सके।
बिल्कुल आएगा आने वाले टाइम में।
ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि भाई अभी एक बार आ गया फिर
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा। इनको थोड़े थोड़े टाइम के बाद, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट अभी कल्चरल मीट हुआ है, तो आगे थोड़ा इसमें हम और एक्सटेंड करेंगे इस चीज़ को, बढ़ाएंगे इस चीज़ को।
क्लासेस का टाइम पीरियड भी बढ़ाया जाएगा। ये अभी 2-2 मिनट का टाइम, एक मिनट का टाइम क्लास में जस्ट अभी इंट्रोडक्शंस है। उसके बाद जब आएगा तो थोड़ा सा ये अपने जो इनके सब्जेक्ट्स हैं वहाँ के, उनके बारे में बच्चों से डिस्कस करेंगे और उस बारे में हम करेंगे आगे। ओके। तो आफ्टर दिस डेलीगेशन हम बच्चों से मिलेंगे, उनको कैसा लगता है और कैसा महसूस हुआ, सारी बातों पे जिक्र जरूर करेंगे यार। अभी यहाँ पर क्लासेस हैं, बैठे रहो भाई। हेलो मैम। बच्चे बड़े एक्साइटेड है?
Yeah, definitely, sir. Very much.
Okay.
Even I
How are you?
How is your study? How is your study?
Everything is अच्छा? बहुत अच्छा? Nice.
बढ़िया. Yes.
Okay, nice. It's nice to meet you all here. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Have a good day, all.
Ninth standard.
Nice. Okay.
बैठे रहो, वहाँ पे आऊँगे। अरे बैठे रहो। हाँ, अब स्टार्ट।
Welcome. How are you?
So what is written here? What is written here? Okay, nice. This is nice. Okay.
How is your study going on? Very good. Great. All the best for you.
I think we have met some of you, like you were downstairs, right?
Yes.
Oh, nice. She's so bright.
Okay. Good luck. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
जो भाई फॉरेन से डेलीगेशन ही ऐड है अपने कसून गांव में आया है, चाणक्य इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में। हम बात कर लेते हैं भाई, जब ये पूरे स्कूल में घूमे हैं, बच्चों से मिले हैं, एक बच्चों से रूबरू हुए हैं, तो इनको कैसा लगा, तो कर लेते बात। मैम, आफ्टर विजिट दिस स्कूल, व्हाट्स योर गेट कंक्लूजन?
See, like I'm really surprised. I say positively surprised that the school is so good, discipline is so well, and I really like the uniform. Students are so disciplined, so smart. I'm really proud, and I'm really happy to have this like opportunity and occasion to visit the school.
Ma'am, what do you think?
Yes, I was really happy to meet them, and I really got touched with the warm hospitality they gave us. I also like their uniform, blue color and all, and they are so decent, very disciplined, and I really like the way they interacted with us. It feels like I am home here, and we all like know each other very well, and they speak very comfortably with us.
I feel every student is little bit nervous.
This is normal. Actually, they are still young, you know, and even we adults, when we meet like new people, we don't know them well, so we have to take care. We have not taking care like in negative way, but I have to know him first. Like then, I feel comfortable to talk with him and interact with him. This is so normal.
Yes, because you know there is one quote says that first impression lasts. So you always want to leave a very good impression. And for them, as you said, they first time they met with foreign delegates. So we also wanted to leave here for everyone very good impression, as well as they wanted to leave us a good impression. So that's why we both sides we felt nervous. But general it went very well.
What do you think about discipline in this school?
You mean the ambience of this school?
Ambience, discipline.
Discipline,
Management.
yeah. Like I said, they were so disciplined.
Yes.
They first raise their hands
If
to
any
ask
have
something.
complaint, you can say. Complain.
I will complain about something. They are so disciplined. Why they are so disciplined?
Yes, they are so disciplined, very polite. Yes, I really liked. And I feel they have a very big respect to their class teacher and all. Yes.
Okay. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू. तो भाई यहाँ पर सब कुछ बढ़िया था. मैंने पूछा अगर कोई कंप्लेंट हो तो बता दो, तो नो कंप्लेंट. और आपको अब ये फाइनली वीडियो कैसी लगी नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा. थैंक यू. जय हिंद. भारत माता.